Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today's question is, who is the happiest person in this world? See, happiness is the cry of mankind. But everyone in this world are experiencing only conditional happiness. That means there are several objects of conditions for our happiness. For example, wealth, health, education, job, power, family relationship, society status, etc. Here, the problem is, by sitting inside the boundary of conditions, we are seeking for happiness. We are within the vicious boundary of conditions. If there is wealth, I am happy. If there is good job, I am happy. If there is power, I am happy. Like this. That means our happiness depends on these external objects. But the fact is, always there is up and downs in these external objects. Therefore, we can't expect real happiness in our worldly life. But our Upanishad says, Anando Brahmeti Vijanat. That means happiness is our own true nature. That is why we are seeking for happiness directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. The eagerness of one's desire to become perfectly happy is clue to the fact that pleasure is one's own nature. In this regard, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi vigata kalmashaha sukhena brahma samsparsham atyantam sukhamashnute. Here Bhagavan says, yogi vigata kalmashaha. That real real spiritual seeker. Yogi means what? The real spiritual seeker, vigata kalmashaha, freed from taint, constantly engaging the mind, thus with ease attains the infinite bliss of contact with supreme truth, contact with Brahman. So, our Shastra says, the knower of Brahman, Brahmagnani, the knower of self, Atmagnani, is the happiest person in this world, because for his happiness he does not require any external objects. Hence, we can say that Brahmagnani's or Atmagnani's happiness is real happiness, and Brahmagnani or Atmagnani is the happiest person in this world. So, each and every one of you, try your maximum best to attain this real happiness, to attain this supreme truth in this very birth itself. This is the Hitopadesham for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavanto. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.